An arrest made in Sunday night's deadly mass shooting at Arcadia Lake. Police say 18-year-old Jalen Davis faces felony murder charges. At least 80 rounds were fired that night, killing one person and injuring 22 others.
And before we send him to breaking news tonight, KOCO's Jason Berger got an update from Edmond Police.
Following the death of Miss Smith Gray last night, that charge is in the process of being upgraded to felony murder.
The family of 18-year-old Aviana Smith Gray told us she was set to graduate high school soon. She was caught in the gunfire at Arcadia Lake Sunday night. And less than a day after her death, Edmond police made an arrest. 18-year-old Jalen Davis. He turned himself into police, but we're told he's not the only suspect.
Additional suspects remain at this time. However, we don't believe that we have information to provide that would increase the safety of the community or expedite the investigation of the arrests.
According to an application for arrest warrant, an investigator wrote, quote, "Your affiant also learned that a rifle had potentially been used during the shooting as well. During the investigation, numerous spent cartridge casings were located in the crime scene. The casings included both 9mm handgun and .7.62 caliber rifle ammunition."
The detectives believe this incident began with a disturbance between two females attending the gathering that escalated into an altercation between rival gang members.
Of the 23 people that were injured, Chief Younger said 6 of them are juveniles, as young as 15 years old. The chief was asked about the presence of gang activity in Edmond.
Just because we may not be aware of it doesn't mean it's not here. That being said, I have seen no indications that the parties involved in this incident resided or frequented Edmond.
Court documents say .40 caliber and .7.62 ammunition were found at Jalen Davis's house, along with a light for a rifle. Investigators talked with Jalen's mother when they served a warrant. The court documents say she told investigators the last time she saw him was 5 p.m. Sunday night, and she got a text around 10:30 that said she needed to check on Jalen because he was present at the Arcadia Lake party. Jalen Davis does have a criminal history, mainly as a youthful offender. He pleaded guilty to robbery with a dangerous weapon in August of 2024, and also pleaded guilty in a 2025 case with charges for assault and battery with a deadly weapon and use of a vehicle in discharge of a weapon. A legal expert told KOCO5 Davis was out of jail because he was on a youthful offender treatment plan under the state's Office of Juvenile Affairs. Police have not said anything further about other suspects. As of Wednesday night, no new arrests have been made. In Edmond, Jason Berger, KOCO5 News.